All right, y'all, how's it going? It is the second, 46 degrees, kind of sunny, so not too bad out here today. So today we are going to cut the front yard with a Timemaster today. I have the striper kit attached to it today. Hadn't got the striper out yet, but I definitely going to need new tires. My tires are getting bald, so I'll do a video on how to change these tires out. The other one's pretty bad too. This tread's gone. I'm sure all this tread goes off when I turn on the sidewalk and the driveway. Doesn't happen to grass much, but we'll get the striper going today. Got it down at F height, which should be about 1.75 inches, so 1.75 inches on F. The lowest one is G, and that's going to be 1.25 inches tall. So we're going to leave this at 1.75. Lay some stripes down today, and we'll see you back shortly, and I will take you guys along for the ride. Okay, you guys, front yard's been cut. Did get a few nice stripes here in the front yard, not too bad. Still hasn't fully come in yet totally. Once the grass starts growing crazy, it stripes a lot better. Been up here, did pretty good on this airplane strip right here. And actually cut it different directions. Every time I cut the grass, I cut a different direction. So you guys probably need to do the same thing. Or else you get ruts in your yard. My neighbor actually cuts his the same, and he has ruts all in his yard. So anyway, this section here I had it down second to the lowest, and was definitely too low. I didn't scalp too much of it though. A little bit of spots here. Right here, there's not much grass here. I gotta level that out some more, but this is probably the levelest section. Still a little too short. And over here, I put down some double stripes. Side yard does pretty good. Side stripes here for that. So I'm gonna gas up the mower again and work on the backyard here, and we'll see you guys in just a minute. just so you know, I got this trimmer new for Christmas last year, Toro Flex Force, and this thing is awesome. I got the battery for it. Not ready for the battery lawnmowers yet, but I am ready for this though. So I'll strap you on here and take you for a ride. Thanks. Okay, you guys, real quick putting green cut. I got you on the fence. Everything's looking good. Still need a powered mower, real mower. Get this down any lower. I got it a ½ inch. That's coming hopefully soon. Looking pretty tight. Thanks y'all for watching.